Welcome to our complete guide on how to connect your Thrustmaster T300 to your PS5 for an unmatched racing experience. The Thrustmaster T300 is a powerful racing wheel that offers full compatibility with the PS5, perfect for racing enthusiasts. Before we connect the wheel, let's quickly recap the PS5 system requirements for peripheral connectivity. Now let's get into the nuts and bolts. Here's a step-by-step guide to physically connecting your T300 to the PS5. Once connected, we need to configure the wheel settings for optimal performance on your PS5. Ensure your T300 is up to date by checking for firmware updates, which can enhance compatibility. Now, let's look at some of the available games on PS5 that are compatible with the Thrustmaster T300 wheel. If you run into issues, here are some tips for troubleshooting common connection problems. Let's discuss how to maximize your racing experience with some advanced settings adjustments. In conclusion, the Thrustmaster T300 paired with the PS5 provides an exceptional racing experience. Happy racing! For further assistance, we have additional resources and support options available for all Thrustmaster users.